chest. Fingers flying, making patterns twist. Susie's voice breaking through the haze. Crochet forever in a woolly maze.
Hello, how are you? It's Susie with Susie's Crochet Chat. It is cold here. Our low temperature went, like, the wind chill, I should say, went negative 25, which is pretty cold. So, even in the house, I mean, we have the heat on and we have it turned up, but it's not warming up the house. So, I had made this, oh my gosh, I don't know, maybe 2020. But it has the little ponytail spot at the top. It has the hole for it. I think this was a fiber flux pattern, but I put this on to keep warm. I have like 2 layers on. It's cold. Anyway, I hope you're having a great day. Hope it's not too cold where you're at, but it probably is. My video today, I was really hoping for something good. I had this great idea, and sometimes things just don't work out. I had got, and I'd shown you, this free pattern from Hirschner's for these little lovey-dovey dishcloths. And I'm trying to do them. I can do patterns that are written this way. I have done many. And maybe I'm going to try it again because I'm having trouble keeping my place. And I put little, like paper thing, like, you know, okay, I'm here. And distractions, I just couldn't do it. Kept messing it up. So what I did was I wrote it down where I thought would be more in line, that I could go from here to here to here to here to here. Well, I did that. I was up to what was I up to? Row 5. And it just didn't look right. Again, I did this a couple times. It's not working. It must be me. I don't think it's the pattern. It must just be me. So, I think what I'm going to do, I hate giving up on it, but I'm going to give up on it for now. I wanted to have it for Valentine's Day. But then I haven't been working on the cardigan, you know, the little granny squares, because I've been doing this. Or I haven't been doing anything. You know, it's the two. And this was really, it's not, you know, they have different ones. So it's only going from here to here. So it's not real long, and it's not real complicated. I don't know why I'm missing something. Unless I'm giving up too easy, thinking it's going to look better. And I should wait it out. Excuse me. I don't know. I'm just not real happy with it. So, yeah, that's where I'm at with this. And I had all intentions to say, and I still think this is true. You know, this is intimidating. I would see patterns like this and be like, oh my gosh, I can't do that. You have to break it up into little chunks. That's what I was trying to do when I wrote it down here. You're breaking it up into little chunks. So, and then you can put your paper, you know, each line. and it makes more sense. I was even using a stitch marker. But obviously something is not right. And I'm looking here. Did I not read everything? No. No. I've read everything, you know. I know what I'm doing. So, have you ever had that where a pattern just kind of stumps you? And I don't even understand why. My goodness. I've used a pattern that was written this way and made an Afghan. The one with the snowflakes on it. I also did the coronation blanket. So, I don't know. It must be me right now. My mind just it's not thinking that. I don't know. So, I feel like giving up, but then I don't want to give up because I'm not a quitter. So, I don't know. Yeah. So that's what I was hoping this was going to be a more upbeat, positive, and exciting video for you, but it's kind of like I'm stumped. Also, thank you so much for saying that you would pray for Teresa at Critters Crochet. I had said, you know, she's had a terrible loss, and I'm not going to go into any of that, but, you know, continue to pray for her. Also, Shannon over at the Spoonie Stitcher, she's having some little health issues and things that she's not going to be able to be on her channel that much for a while. So keep her in your prayers too. The power of prayer is just amazing. And I believe in it so much, and I will continue to pray for both of them. And yeah, so let me know what you're doing, and if you've had any difficulties with patterns and how maybe you overcame them. I know I'm gonna try this. This cardigan, it's not getting done before Valentine's Day, and I don't even care. But I'm going to get it done. I'm not giving up. I'm not putting it away this time. It will be done. And I like the colors. So I will do that. But I just want to there's just something about this washcloth. I have to be able to do it. Doesn't make any sense that I'm not. So, yeah. Let me know, like I said, what stumps you. Also, thank you for watching, liking, subscribing, and commenting. You know, I love all the comments. And you can also find me over on Facebook, Susie's Crochet Chat. It's a private group. Please join over there. It would be great to have you. You can post pictures there. You can post pictures in my community tab. I would love to see everything that you're working on. So, anyway, I hope you're having a great day. And I will talk to you again soon. Take care. Bye.
Midnight oil burning stitches remain, whispering threads holding back the strain. Susie's voice guiding, I'll never quit. Patterns rough, but it's got heart.